Press the Setup key to access the Setup menu. Under Console, look for User and Profile Setup. This screen is split into two halves. The top half are user logins and the second half is user profiles. A user login consists of a name, a password, a user profile to be associated with, and rights. Users will use the user login to log into the system and to connect to a particular user profile. The user profile is the file that stores the information, such as views and all your other settings and defaults. Different users can have different user rights. The rights can control how much access a user has to the system. To set up your first user and profile, go to the New button and either click and hold, right-click, tap the screen encoder, or you can select it and press Add User. As the text is highlighted with a white box, you can start typing on the keyboard straight away. You can also enter a password if you wish. Just remember the default password is admin. Any user who knows this can always log in and override your passwords should you make a mistake. The password system is simply to prevent mistakes, not as a security feature. Once you've created your user, you can go over and choose what rights the user is going to have. Again, click and hold, right-click or use the screen encoder and select the option from the list. Next, you need to create a user profile. Go to the lower half of the screen and the same again, click and hold, right-click, use the screen encoder or select and press Add Profile. Give your profile a name and you're ready to go. Now we need to associate the user with the profile. Go to the User Profile column, select your user. They are now linked together. You can now log in as your user. Simply highlight the user and press the login key in the lower right corner. You see I'm now logged in with my name. You can log into a different user at any time by pressing Tools and Login. This will log you out and you are now required to give a username to log back in. If you forget the username or make a mistake, type in the username administrator and the password admin.